So I'm about to try a new shampoo. Well, I guess a hair wash is not shampoo. Terressentials, and this is the Left Coast Lemon. So I've heard about this product for like, God, probably 10 years. And I finally am getting around to using it. So I ordered a bunch of different products on Super Bowl Sunday, today's Saturday. And this one was the first one to arrive. It arrived on Wednesday. So I'm going to be trying it today. I watched a few videos on YouTube to see how people diluted it. Some people diluted it with water. Some people used it full strength. I'm going to test it out and see which way works best for me. And I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair because it says you need to use this on wet hair. And we're going to see what happens. I have not detangled my hair, which was done last week in a twist out on Super Bowl Sunday, and I haven't re-moisturized or retwisted. So we're going to see how this works out. So I have wet my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying the Terressentials Mudwash, and we will see if it detangles or anything, or do I need to add something separate. So I'm just going to use it full strength. It's not as thick as I was thinking it would be based on some of the videos, but those were all older videos, so maybe they thinned out the product since that time. So it does not lather. I'm not expecting it to lather. So if that's what you're looking for, this is not the kind of hair wash that's going to lather. And I think a lot of naturals that use different co-washes and stuff already use products that don't lather. I definitely don't feel like I need a detangler. I'm not having any issues getting through my hair. So that's positive, that you don't need a separate detangler. There's a mirror over here that I'm looking in, so if you're wondering why I'm looking in this direction. I'm probably gonna use my scalp massager while this is in my hair, just to make sure that I'm getting my scalp really well. On the website, it says you're supposed to detox, to wash your hair 2 to 3 times per wash session. So basically add the Terressentials, rinse it off, add more Terressentials and rinse it off, and then a 3rd time, which I am not going to be doing that. I don't use a lot of products with different chemicals and silicones and stuff in them anyway. What was in my hair that I'm washing out now from last week, I used the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Cream. Try saying that 3 times. And I also used the Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in addition to the Melanin Hair Care Oil. So that's all that was in my hair from the last week. So nothing that really needs to be detoxed out. And I've been using the Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in actually exclusively since November, and it's February now, so I haven't been really using anything else other than, what did I use? Kinky Curly Gel, and I think Uncle Funky's Gel, as well as the African Pride Curling Cream that I just got a couple of weeks ago. Alright, so that section feels done to me. And I'm just going to move on to the next section. Actually, maybe I'll massage it in. So I have a couple of hairs on my hands. Not a lot at all. So definitely not shedding too much. Not a lot of shed hair. And this is my scalp massager I've had for a while. I'll go ahead and use that. I probably should wait until I'm done and do it on my whole head instead of doing it by section. Oh, that feels good. Whew. Actually, you know what? I'll wait. I'll do it when I'm finished doing my whole head. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these sections, and I will come back when I'm done. I'll show you this one first. So there's, it's not as thick, like I said, it's not as thick as it appeared in some of the older videos that I looked at. So maybe the product has been thinned out since that time. But yeah, definitely is a good detangler. I'm kind of impressed by that. I've been using the same detangler, Soultanicals Slip and Slide Knot Glide, since about 2016. And I'm impressed that I didn't need to detangle. Oh, wait a minute. Detangle with anything before using this Terressentials hair wash. Well, that's pretty good. Make sure you're using the pads of your fingers and not your nails. I actually broke a nail significantly the other day, so I don't have to worry about that on this particular section. So I'm going to finish my whole head and I will be back. So I'm all done applying the Terressentials, and I also did do my scalp massage. Just in case you were wondering, this is the scalp massager that I used. I got it online a couple of years ago. I feel like Mo Does Hair, or Mo Knows Hair, excuse me, is the one that talked about this on one of her YouTube videos. And she had a discount code at the time, so I definitely did not pay full price for it. I think it was maybe 30–40% off. Actually, maybe even 50% off when I got it. So this is the scalp massager that I used. And it is called mylifemyshop.com is the website that I got it from. Oh, that's backwards. But yeah, mylifemyshop.com is where it came from, assuming they still sell it. So I used about, down to the label here, of the Terressentials. I might have used too much. It was very messy. It's like all over my arms and my shoulders, everywhere. So I would not advise doing this outside of the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. I did not need a detangler at all, which I'm very impressed with. So I am going to go ahead and do a deep condition though, even though it says you don't need to do that. And since I'm not going to be detoxing and washing my hair again tomorrow and the next day for the next 5 to 14 days as it says on the label, I'm not going to be doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and do my deep condition that I normally would do with my steamer, and go ahead and put in a 2-strand twist in my hair for the week. So I will be back after I rinse this out. Alright, so the Terressentials is all rinsed out. I just rinsed it a couple times until the water in the shower ran dry. It actually feels really nice. Like the shampoo I've been using, the Chagrin Valley that I've been using since 2016, it does not strip my hair. So in comparing the Terressentials, it definitely doesn't strip my hair either. So that difference is not really something that I've noticed. What I do notice is that my hair just feels smoother. I don't know if that's in my mind or not, but it definitely feels smoother than it usually does after I wash my hair. It actually is hanging a little longer than it normally does. It's interesting. But anyway, so my next step is going to be deep conditioning. I actually deep condition on towel dried hair. I'm not going to put the deep conditioner in right now. I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair up for about 20 to 30 minutes and get some of this water out. And then I'm going to add this Mielle, Mongongo Oil deep conditioner. It's a protein free. I've never used it before. This is going to be my first time trying it. And so many people rave about it, so many naturals rave about it, that I'm going to go ahead and try it. I've been using Junkie deep conditioners, again, since 2016, same ones pretty much off and on. The Repair Me Protein Conditioner and the Rehab Moisturizing one, depending on what my hair needs. So yeah, I'm trying a new shampoo for the first time in years and a new deep conditioner for the first time in years. So I will be back after I'm ready to put in my deep conditioner. So my hair has been drying for about 35–40 minutes, and this is my new t-shirt towel that came actually while I was washing my hair. It was delivered by the post office. So I'm going to go ahead and add my deep conditioner. Oh, and I should add, I did feel comfortable using it straight out of the box because it was sealed, so I know nobody else has been using it. Normally before I put something like this on my hair, I would have washed it first, but yeah, it was in a sealed box. So my hair is barely damp, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this Mielle, how do you pronounce that? Anyway, I'm going to apply this protein-free deep conditioner, and then I'm going to sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes. And we will see how this works. So my hair feels really good, by the way, from that Terressentials. Is actually, I felt like I conditioned it even though I had not. So yeah, I feel like the Terressentials is an all-in-one product as far as the shampoo and condition. which is actually where I got the Dirty Curl. There's that. So I got the Terressential Mudwash, but I also got this one that I'm probably going to use next week. It's called Dirty Curl, and it's another clay wash that's a cleansing and conditioning treatment all in one, which I kind of feel like the Terressentials is, even though it's not marketed that way. But my hair definitely felt like I had conditioned it with the Terressentials, even though I had not. This deep conditioner feels really amazing on my hair, by the way. So many people have been raving about it that I finally decided to go ahead and try it, since I ordered so much stuff on Super Bowl Sunday. Everything has arrived. All of my clay treatments except for the, I think it's called Cocoa Kinks. That has not arrived yet. Actually hasn't even shipped yet. When the Terressentials arrived on Wednesday, I sent an email out to the Cocoa Kinks company to see if they were planning on shipping my product, because I got shipping notices for everything that I ordered on Monday after ordering everything on Super Bowl Sunday, and that's the only thing I didn't get a shipping notice for. So I'm slightly annoyed that that product still has not even shipped, and here we are almost a full week later, because it's Saturday now. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this deep conditioner on every section of my hair. And you notice I do not use hair tools. I was told to try to cut down the use of tools on my hair by my stylist, and also she had said to stop doing my twist outs and stuff on my damp, soaking wet hair rather, and to do it on damp or dry hair. So that's something that I have been doing. I have low density hair, so I don't like to manipulate it too much while it's soaking wet. That might not be a tip for only people with low density hair, but I know that is something that she told me when I last got my hair cut. This has a lot of slip, you guys. Really feels nice, which I'm sure those of you who have been using it and talking about it for the last couple of years already know. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting this in my hair, and I'm going to sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes, and then I will be back. But yeah, it feels really amazing. My hair without the deep conditioner on already feels like it's been conditioned with the Terressentials on this side, which again is just really kind of surprising to me. I guess it shouldn't be surprising. This product has been around. As I was saying before, I just had to delete 400 photos off of this memory card because it stopped while I was in the middle of a sentence. I should not be surprised, because the Terressentials product, which I have not added the deep conditioner on this side, the Terressential product has been used by a lot of different YouTubers off and on that I've seen for about 10 years. And a lot of people have been swearing by it, saying that you didn't need to use a conditioner after using the Terressentials Mudwash. Terressentials hair wash, excuse me. So anyway, I'm going to finish adding my deep conditioner, and then I'm going to sit under the steamer for about 20 minutes, and I will be back. Yeah, I'm so glad that I finally decided to try this deep conditioner. It's really moisturizing. And the reason that I'm still filming is because my hands are covered in conditioner, and I don't want to touch my camera while my hands are covered in deep conditioner. But yeah, I really am going to go and steam. And then I will be back after that. So I did my steam treatment, and I am going to be rinsing this out. Feels really amazing. So again, this is a protein-free deep conditioner. Feels really great. So I'm just going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to be doing a twist out, which I'm not going to film that, and I will probably post the results tomorrow because I'm going to let it dry overnight. Post the results on Instagram in case you're interested in seeing what it looks like. But I'm going to use my leave-in Kinky Curly Knot Today that I've been using since November exclusively as my leave-in. And I'm going to do my twist out with the Moisture Miracle Moisturizing Define Curling Cream. I've used this a few times. I actually was researching it, researching Taraji Henson's new products when I came across an article that talked about this product. So I went ahead and bought it, and I really did like the results that I got with it. It's basically a cream gel, and sometimes gels can be too heavy for my hair since it's low density, but this basically creamy gel worked out really well for me, and my hair came out well. So I'm going to do a flat twist out actually, which is not something that I do often, and see how it comes out. But yeah, I really like the way this deep conditioner feels on my hair. So I went ahead and rinsed out the deep conditioner, and I was actually worried that my hair would feel mushy, but it really does not at all. And since this is protein free, I wasn't feeling like my hair would be strengthened. I just thought it was going to be super moisturized, but it actually does feel like it's been strengthened. So that's good that it's protein free, but it's not making my hair mushy, and it actually feels a little stronger than I thought it would after a moisturizing deep conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry for about 30 minutes or so, because I don't generally do my twist out till I'm soaking wet hair. And I will post the results of the twist out tomorrow on Instagram. But yeah, so far I do like this new Terressentials hair wash, and I do like this new Mielle Organics deep conditioner, protein-free deep conditioner, and I will definitely continue to use them. I actually have a trim scheduled for next week, but it doesn't feel like I need it at all. My ends feel really good. I last got a trim in November, and it's February. So I'm probably going to put off my next trim for a couple more weeks and see how much longer my ends will continue to feel so good. I'm not going to let it go more than past April, probably first week of April, because I do like to get a trim like every 4 to 5 months. I was going every 3 months to the Diva Curl stylist that I was using and getting my hair cut while it was dry and curly, but I stopped doing that about 1.5 years ago, and now I get my hair blown straight to get a trim. So that is the end of this demo and review. Feel free to ask any questions. Thanks.